You're looking at a Whelen Rota-Beam. This is a model 66, 12 volt, approximately 1970, 1971, somewhere along in there. This light currently is inoperable. It turns but does not light up. Could be simple as a shot bulb. We're going to find out. I already tested it. I already got it broke down. We're going to give it a good cleaning, give it a good lube, check everything out, check the bulb, and once we do that, I'll make a new video and see if I was successful. Once again, this is a Whelen Rota-Beam model 66. According to the, be patient with me. According to the writing on the bottom of this motor, it is 10 of 1971. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens.